The most common use of video is the use of video clips to demonstrate something or illustrate a point. Here's an example where the video clip is played with its own soundtrack.
So this was the final warning that we got from the final information from one of the captains of San Diego Fire Department who stood there and watched the show. And Kurt, this is fire warning video.
We responded to structures that are intact and not damaged. This will be obviously a structure that's been significantly damaged by an earthquake, and we do get that chance now to see how the fire is going to behave. From the damage that's here, our access to the building is going to be a challenge. We're not going to be able to use the elevators. We don't normally use elevators in a high-rise, but we will shuttle equipment that way. Stairwells are going to be compromised. You had a stairwell on this that broke off. So going into a building, we're going to have to definitely make sure the building is secure before we make access to the buildings. We're going to have a huge demand on manpower to get those people out of the buildings. It's going to be our big challenge, the rescue potential. And so it's good to see the damage and know what to expect in an earthquake.
Okay, so now we know...
The next example is where the presenter narrates over the video.
And so I wanted to turn my attention to that problem. But why is it important? Well, structural imaging alone isn't enough because life is animate, and it's what it defines life. And so while structural imaging tells you something, the only way we're really going to learn how macromolecules assemble to create life is to be able to study life with high resolution across all 4 dimensions of space-time at the same time. And so the good news is that the typical...
We hope you've enjoyed this example. If you have questions or would like to discuss your ideas for incorporating video into future events, please contact us anytime.